This is like the best crew room we've ever been in, and every room so far has just been cooler and cooler. So thanks, Piano. All right, so we're here in Brisbane on the Aria, and we're about to do a sail away. And I've done some sail aways here before. I'll put a link up to a video you can watch. I'm actually gonna go live via Facebook on Piano's Facebook page. Yeah, so Facebook Live didn't happen, and it's only because the weather's just bad. We want people to watch and be like, oh, I wish I was there. But we don't want them to watch and be like, oh, it's raining, I'm glad I'm not there. Back to the regular scheduled program. All right, so we're about to sail away from Brisbane. Yeah, I know the weather isn't great, but it's always so cool sailing under the Gateway Bridge. Look at this thing. So this cruise, I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to use the GoPro Fusion and get a lot of cool shots. So let's take this out for a spin, shall we? Alright, now I want to take you to the coolest part of the ship. Woo! Almost like the best kept secret because nobody knows about this spot. You can actually go to the front of the ship and see it all. For a smaller ship, it has a lot of cool spots and fun activities. So it's a beautiful day. We're in Hamilton Island, which is up at the Whitsundays. Since it's nice and I have service, I'm gonna go live on Piano's Facebook page. So since I missed it the first time, now I'll put the live link in the description for the actual one. Yeah. This was a lot of fun. You gotta try this. Really cool. So another day, another beautiful sunset, and another fun night on board. It's been a really nice cruise. It's the last day. I've actually really enjoyed my time on the Aria. It's been fun running around with the GoPro Fusion. If you wanted to see more about the Fusion, I'm putting a link up there on just the 360 clips that you can watch straight off of like your phone or some kind of VR goggles if you are cool like that. It's almost time for me to play in the mix bar and then have a little bit of fun, and yeah. Just like that, we are back in Brisbane. It's actually a beautiful day out here. It was a quick cruise. So much went on though. It was just such a nice one. I really like this ship, the Pacific Aria. But now it's time to get off the ship, and we're gonna have a long drive up to Airlie Beach to do something really awesome. So I can't wait to show you that next time. So stick around, and thanks for being here. See ya. Oh, and in case you clicked the video because of this shot, well, here it is. Not clickbait. So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video, it needs a lot more attention.